Let's ride. In today's video, I thought I'd be checking the audio between the Inst 360 Go 2 right here and my iPhone 13. Right now, I'm running the i13 just on the speaker mics. In a little bit, I'll hook up a couple different Lapel mics. See how much wind noise we get. Okay, now I'm running the Lapel mic, and to my iPhone 13. There's a little bit of a breeze, I can hear it in my ears, so I'm wondering if the Lapel mic picks it up. This is actually a homemade Lapel mic. This is a part of the an old iPhone earphone set, and I cut the earphones off just to leave the mic. And I got a little alligator clip to hold it on. It works real good for walking or sitting at a desk. So we'll give it a try on the bicycle. See how much wind noise it picks up. See how it sounds. This is another Lapel mic. Both of these are wired directly in. They're not wireless. This one was a cheap mic that I bought at a store called Five Below, and it seems to work really good. It was only $3, believe it or not. I just bought it on a whim and brought it home and tried it. It seems to work pretty good. It does have a little windscreen on it, this little foam cover. I think it's more for pea popping, what they call it. It blocks the popping noise when you pronounce words with P's, like potato chips. But it also works as a windscreen. We'll see how that sounds when we get back. Even though I'm close to home and ride my usual route, right now we're on the old Lincoln Highway. Runs from New York to San Francisco. The first cross-country marked trail, I believe, for automobiles.